Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips, the best Capsim step-by-step guide to win on the round from round 1 to round 6. I show you the detail now. You see on the screen we are doing round 6 with top result. We have developed in round 1, 2 and 3 new products now. Round 6 we have the top sale and top profit. Let's continue very easy strategy, right? So before we continue, remember, do not copy the number and paste into the game. You need to check your industry condition report here to find the number for your game, and then you can use this table 2 and table 3 to update the product for 8 rounds. So again, do not just copy the number, copy the strategy, understand the strategy, and use the number from your game. If you have any question, you can send the email, right? And we update R&D, and now we check the marketing, right? The marketing, we reduce the price by 50 cents. You can see the details here. The result of round 5, so we have very high sales, right? We are team E, right? We lead the game with top sale, top profit here, you see. For the traditional, for the low end here, you see that? Also very high market share. And for the high end is always top sales, top profit. And performance here we have that, and also we have 2 products in performance leading with the top market share, more than nearly 50% of the market share. Size, we also have the top sale here, right? So the marketing is quite simple. We just reduce the price by 50 cents. If you want to keep track of that, you can use an Excel file like this. And most important, the marketing is to calculate the sales forecast. Again, we check the production here to see the number unit result here, and inventories in the 4th column. The 3rd column is number of unit result, and the 4th column is the inventories. And again, we use the Excel file here to calculate the sales forecast, the unit result, the inventories, the growth of each segment, and then we can have the sales forecast here, and also production. We can add about 15% or 30% to have some inventory or some reserve, avoid stock out. And for production, you see, for production you can have the sales forecast, deduct inventory. So we have the production schedule here, and then we increase automation from 5 to 6. 8 for traditional and 10 for low end is okay. 8 for traditional and 10 for low end is okay. The other 6 we buy more capacity, because we need we have very high market demand. And for HR, we use the max recruitment span and max training hour, 5,080 hours. If we have this labor negotiation, we offer the best for the workers to get the best workforce, right? Avoid any problem with workers, right? And for the finance from round 6, we can pay some dividends. If you want, you can buy back the stock here, right? And if you want, you have long term to get saved amount of cash, avoid any case of fluctuation of the market, right? And for the TQM, we use 1,000 for all the 10 TQM initiatives. So now we check the result and see that we have very top sales here, right? You see that we are team E, 38% of market share. Our stock price going up, and then we go to the top next round, right? You see that we have one competitors, but we are going up very faster than the top competitors. And check the sale again, right? We get 300 sale and 38 profit. And now we check the performer income. We go up very fast, 500, and we get more than double profit. So we will get very top number 1 sale and profit from round 6 and then 7 and 8. So I just show you the overview of round 6 on the decision to win the top result, right? If you continue the right strategy, you see the growing of sale and stop price will be like this, right? Stop price and the sales very high and profit, right? Nearly 500 and 100 of profit. So if you have any question, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. And the most important thing for each round, if you are doing that, you need to understand the game. It is as equally important as winning the game. What decision to make for each round? I show you R&D, marketing, production, HR, finance, TQM. What reports to read? What part of the report to read to understand the competitors, to understand the market demand, you win 50%. How to update the product, show you, right? How to set the prices, how to calculate the sales forecast, very important, you win 80%. And also how to set decision for production, automation for long-term strategy. For long-term strategy, how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. If you need support, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2, or set decision for 8 rounds. You can view and learn more and win the top results, right? Or you can also get the WhatsApp to Q&A for any question you have, and check the other videos and guide and explanation for all the decision. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.